Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you will get updated with my uploads and videos. Today, we are going to learn how to launch live stream on your YouTube linked to the OBS stream software. Let's start. Okay, first and foremost, you have to go to your YouTube browser and make sure that you are already logged in with your account. So once you are logged in, you can see your profile picture here on the right top corner of your screen. Make sure that it's logged in. By clicking on your picture, you can see that you are already logged in. All right. So the next we are going to go to the camera or video icon that is just like three icons away from your profile picture. This, then we have to click on it. You can see here, upload video, go live, and create post. So we are going to go live. Click on go live, then it will direct you to the YouTube studio. There you go, guys. Now on your screen, you can see here stream, webcam, and manage. We are going to go to stream because we are going to launch live. There you go. Now you will be prompted by information about your live stream title. All right. So at first you will be given an option to write down. But in my case, since I have already had done it several times, I could just edit it with another title. Okay, live stream 101. Okay, it could be public so people can visit. You can write a descriptions about your main goal of doing the live stream. You can also put some thumbnails. If you don't want, also the YouTube will just going to pick a picture for you once it is uploaded. But if you wanted to put a thumbnail, you can just click on change thumbnail. Make sure that it is not for kids, so the comment will be enabled, and click on save. Okay, so that's the first step. You have already set up your YouTube. Next, we are going to the OBS. So I'm going to look for my OBS. I will open on it. OBS is a software recommended by YouTube where you can use it also to sync it in your YouTube stream. Just like here, it says here connect streaming software to go live. So one of the provider for the live stream is OBS. You can download it free on your browser. Okay. Now we got here our OBS. So we can already set up our YT LS or live stream. So first you can, when you want to do a live stream which is silent, you can choose only, we can add here sources. So if you wanted only to put your picture, you don't want to show your face, you can add image where I have already set. So I can click on image. It will just direct my picture on it. So once I have my silent LS, my picture is just showing like that. So I want to use the webcam because I'm going to do it live. So I'll click on my webcam. You can just click on add here on the plus sign. You can have lots of sources here. So I have already set mine, so it's just easier for me. So I have set, I'll open my cam. I want also to add YouTube. So I have clicked on the YouTube, so volumes can be shared also in YouTube. There you go, guys. So I can also share my camera. Okay, so once I have shared my camera, I have my face on it already. Then I will be going to the settings. The settings is just up here on the left side of your screen, or also here at the bottom right. So you can click on settings. Yes, there you go. So you are going to go for stream. On stream, you are required here to put the stream key. Stream key is also found in your YouTube, so you have to go back to your YT. Okay, down here, you have here the stream URL. Okay, you just click on copy. Okay, and go back to the OBS. Then just paste on it. Okay, then apply. Click OK. There you go. Then you can already press on start streaming. Once you press on start streaming, it will just sync it on to your YT. Since I am using also my webcam. So on this, so I'm not showing my face in here. So it doubled already. So start streaming, then go back to your YT. Then you can see here on the screen that the start or go live icon will be here in blue. So click on that. It will just automatically open your face in here and you can start already your live stream. All right, simple steps, guys. I hope you find it interesting and easy to apply. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.